In this video, I am showing my CRM project updates. So it will the dashboard. It have a sidebar and a main content overview, opportunity CRM dashboard, and it will show the our lead section, and here the lead status view, and also a filter section by status, and add new lead, and we can get the filtered data by status. So how I implemented this filtering, I have used the query parameters, and it if and every time I change the status, it will change the query parameter here, and query parameter here, and it will hit the backend and get the filter data according to the status. So how I implemented query params, let's see into the codes. I have used the use search param hook. It is the similar to the use state hook, and it it will return a array. First is the search params, where the our parameter is stored in an object form key value, and set search params set the our new params in the, and the set search param is the updater function. And how I implemented, I have created filter by status on change, I have call it, and I have extract destructure the value from it, and if value exists, it will set the new params in the search params object, and if not, it will delete. And here the update the search params with the new key value pairs. So how it will works, if I've changed the value exist, and it will set the new params and get the data from the backend. If I have select empty, it will empty, and it will send the old data from the backend. Also we can add new lead here, new case, and lead source email, and assign it to one, and status is qualified, and priority high, close in 35 days, tag some follow-up, high value leads. It will create new lead, and if we go back to the dashboard, it will show our new case, new lead added successfully, and it will automatically update into the qualified leads dynamically. So let's see our next page, leads page. Here the lead overview page, it will show the all the leads fetched from the backend. So in the UI, name by name, status, sales agent, and priority, and time to close. If we also get filtered by status, and also set Abhinav no lead found, no lead, and it will show which change it to here and follow up. No need for a value will show like that. And if we implement multiple filters, we can also sort it to like this. And purity sort by purity, it will show like this: high value first and medium second and low at the last. And if we filter sort by time to close, it will show the most time have the highest time to close the lead first and lowest at the last. Also we can add here from the leads. And let's see our the sales page. Sales page have also the multiple filtering criteria. Like filter, it will sales agent leads by sales agent page, so the lead assign according to the sales agent. So it will show the multiple assigned lead by the change the according to the sales agent name. Also we can implement check the status, qualified, send and close. And also we can check the priority high to low. And we can also implement sort. Lead by status view, it will similar to the sales agent page, but it will show us filtered by new filter by the status. And it will check by John Doe, Smith. So it will protein high, protein. Let's see the our agent page. Agent page will show the all the agent exist in our app. Also we can add new agent. Com create agent, and if we check, it will show new agent added successfully. One thing, and we can see the agent detail page, and also we can edit it here and also add comment. New comment added successfully. It will show and also show the timestamp here. And we can also add change the status, update our status, and here and it will redirect to the our details page after 2 seconds automatically. Now let's agent page, and we have and we can see our report page. It will show the data, our leads reports in the form of chart: total closed leads and total leads in pipeline, closed leads by the sales agent, and lead distribution by their status. New have 2 leads, contacted 2 leads, qualified 3 leads, and closed 4 leads, and proposal sent 5 leads. Back to